Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how you can cancel your Loklok subscription. So if you're going to be canceling your Loklok subscription on your iOS device, what you're going to do is just open your App Store. So from here you will see your profile at the top right corner. Go ahead and click on that one. And from here just go ahead and tap on the subscriptions. So from here, you will see the active subscriptions that you have. So let's just say, for example, this is the Loklok subscription. So you will just click on that one. And from here, you will see a cancel subscription button. So you just have to click on that one to cancel your subscription. And now, if you are using an Android device, what you're gonna do is just open your Google Play Store. And from here, click on your profile at the top right corner. So in here, just click on the payments and subscriptions and tap on the subscriptions. So in here, you will see your Loklok subscription. So you're just going to click on it, just like on the iOS device. And then you will also see a cancel subscription button. So you'll just have to click on that one and confirm the removal of subscription. So that's pretty much it. It's very quick and easy. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!